welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. I wasn't going to film this video, but I thought it would interest you. It's a no-bake treat idea. My daughter's doing a bake sale at school tomorrow. Her Panto group, she's in the Panto, they're doing a bake sale and she wants to contribute. So I've gone to Tesco's to buy what she needs and we're going to get these made. These are all her ideas. I can't take any credit for them. I'm just going to help her make them. And like I said, they're no bake and they're super simple. So we are making chocolate magic ones. We're doing a type of clam oyster thing. It's quite cool. I've seen, like, she's done some before. And they're going to have these in them. And some decorated biscuits using just the leftovers, really. We could have made the buttercream, but we've got this instead, a pink frosting. It will work just as well and save on the mess because we're a bit strapped for time tonight. We've got to do these because the bake sale is tomorrow and she has to give these in at the beginning of the school day. But she has her theatre club tonight, so we've got to get these done before then. I am recording this voiceover after the fact and every last thing that we made sold. They made £110 at the bake sale. They did really well, and these magic ones were a hit. And next time if we do anything like this, we're going to make so many more because this is what people wanted. I thought they wouldn't be anything much, but I think it's just the novelty aspect of them. So literally you just coat the ends in chocolate and then add your sprinkles. So if you are doing some kind of Christmas fair or a school fair at Christmas, just change out the sprinkles and make them Christmas themed. The clam biscuits were also quite a novelty. You fill them with frosting and then you pop the pearl metal bead type sprinkles, decorations in just to prop it open a little bit like a clam, and I thought these are really effective. I've seen my daughter make these before and yeah, I think they're just cute and effective. You can use any biscuits, you can use digestives, rich tea. They used oaty biscuits and yeah, I think these turned out beautifully. And finally, we just wanted to use up some sprinkles and the rest of the chocolate, so we had digestive biscuits and we coated them in a layer of melted chocolate and my daughter just added some of the sprinkles on. And it really is as simple as that. These are no bake, so didn't require any electricity, and they were really simple to make. And like I said, this was a hit, so if you're involved in any bake sales for church, for school, anything like that, these went down a treat. Also, if you like to home make Christmas gifts and keep the costs low, this is a good idea because it's saving your energy as well. And anyone can make these. If we can make these, anyone can make these. We are by no means bakers. Or they could just be fun for the kids to make at Christmas. Just switch out the sprinkles for the Christmas ones and jobs are good 'un. The hardest part was transporting them. We didn't have a pot big enough for the breadsticks, but luckily my daughter was taking these straight to her drama teacher the next day who was going to keep them safe, and we had to label the breadsticks as fragile, but none of them got broken in transit. But all in all, they all put in great effort and they had great rewards for the bake sale. So thanks for watching. I know this was a quick one, but I'll catch you next time.